pull up on your driveway, vibing in the summer, but all you seem to get are scratches on your lower bumper. Driving 2 miles an hour every single day, but when you pulling out, all you hearing is a scrape. SLiPLO, it's a universal skid plate.